Norwex Independent Sales Consultant. Today I have two different tests to show you that are going to test the validity of our Norwex Enviro cloth. In order for a cloth to be categorized as microfiber, the fibers have to be 1/6 the width of a human hair. Our microfiber cloths are 1/200th the width of a human hair. So the quality of our microfiber is far beyond anything you're going to find in a store. The second thing that really sets our cloths apart from the rest is the silver embedded in the fibers. Silver is a natural antibacterial, and so it suffocates odor and bacteria left over in the cloth after rinsing. That silver will prevent the cloth from getting stinky or growing bacteria in between uses. The first demonstration I'm going to do is my protein swab test, and this is one of my favorite demonstrations to show how well our Norwex Enviro cloth really works. So the first thing I need to do is take this raw chicken and go ahead and rub it on my surface. And then I'm going to take my protein test tube and my swab, and I'm going to test that surface, get a nice valid test, and put it in our solution and give it a few shakes. And before we put it in the solution, it was blue, and blue means no protein is present. So I'm going to go ahead and shake it up. And as you can see, the solution has turned purple, which we knew it would. I just rubbed raw chicken on the surface, so the purple is showing that protein is present. So then I'm going to take my Norwex Enviro cloth, and if you notice, I'm going to use it flat. And using it flat allows me to have flat surfaces to rotate between when I'm cleaning, and it also allows the microfiber to pick up everything it comes in contact with. If I use it bunched up, I'm creating pockets and I might miss things off the surface. So I'm going to use it flat, and I just got this wet with water, and I'm going to wipe that surface clean. No disinfectant, no chemical cleaners are needed to clean a surface with Norwex. So now I'm going to take my second protein test tube and my swab, and I'm going to swab that surface again, get a nice valid test, put it in the solution, and give it some more shakes. And as you can see, the solution is blue, which means no protein is present on the surface after we cleaned with our Norwex microfiber cloth. Blue is no protein, purple is protein. So what that is telling me is that this microfiber cloth, anything it comes in contact with, the microfiber is just going to pull it off the surface up into the cloth, leaving the surface clean. So we can get rid of the toxic cleaners from our house, we can get rid of all of the air pollutants that we're putting in our house when we use those cleaners, and we can switch to Norwex and only use water. For our second test, we're going to do the Backlight Test, and we're going to compare the Norwex Enviro cloth versus disinfecting wipes. So the first thing I'm going to do is we're going to use that raw chicken again, and we're going to spread it on the surface all along the counter. So gross. And now we're going to take Glow Germ, and we're going to spread Glow Germ over that chicken. And Glow Germ is a powder that we can use that simulates bacteria. And it'll glow under the black light if bacteria is still present once we're done cleaning. I went ahead and turned off the light so I can show you the results a little bit better under the black light. I'm going to go ahead and clean this side with the Norwex Enviro cloth and this side with the disinfecting wipes. We so often reach for disinfecting wipes because they're fast and easy, and we think they're going to do what they say they're going to do. But let me show you what happens. So again, this is just the Enviro cloth and water. And take a disinfecting wipe. Okay, if I grab my Backlight, I'm going to show you the Norwex Enviro cloth side and the disinfecting wipe side. Norwex Enviro cloth side, disinfecting wipe side. Although the surface looks clean, there's nothing there. All it was able to do was smear that glow germ and that raw chicken all over the surface. The last question you might have is, okay, now what? What do I do with that cloth? I've just cleaned raw chicken. Do I need to wash it right away? Can I keep using it? And the answer is this. As you're using your Norwex Enviro cloth, in between uses, just rub it on itself really well under water. So if I clean up that raw chicken, I go to the sink, I turn on the hot water, and I rub the cloth really well on itself, helping the microfiber release everything it's picked up. And then I can keep using the cloth. When I'm done using the cloth for the day, I just do the same thing. I rinse it out really well, I wring it out really well, and then I just can hang it flat or hang it on its little hook to dry. So there you have it. The Norwex Enviro cloth is a clear choice for all your cleaning needs. I hope you found those 2 tests informative and useful and maybe a little eye-opening. Come find me on Facebook. I post lots of tips and tricks for you to help you get the most from your Norwex products. Thanks for watching.